Good morning to my amazing rocking QNet family all over the world. I wanted to continue with the beautiful series on QNet's amazing products, and today I'm going to show you something unbelievable. Now, of course, I'm talking about our amazing HomePure Nova, our superb water filter with the maximum of certification from NSF and other global institutes, more than any other direct selling company in the world. I want to change the filter cartridge today. And in order to do this, we simply make sure that the unit is closed, of course, and then we disconnect the water supply cable here for a moment. I'll put it here. Now we can basically unscrew the flexible pipe here. It's very easy. Your kids can do it if you like. And carefully remove the top cover, the protective cover here. You can actually see the unit. Now, first of all, at this stage, it's very important that you put your filter on open. And then in the second step, you unscrew the ring here that's holding the unit and the filter and the control unit together. And then with a lot of pressure, you lift out the actual filter cartridge. You can see it here. It's only been in usage for about 4+ months. But as you can see, it has already gathered a lot of particles and elements that are in the water that are contaminating our water, and they're exactly now where you want them to be, inside the filter and not in the water we want to drink safely and healthily. Now, at this stage, guys, we will simply hold and unscrew the control cover from the used filter cartridge and put it here. We take a brand new HomePure Nova 9-stage Ultra Technology filter cartridge. This is engineered in Germany, Japanese science, and made in Korea. It could certainly not get better. You can see, of course, the difference between 4 months usage, okay, and here a brand new pure white filter that is ready to go to work. Now, all we do now, we screw in the control part and reconnect it with the new filter, put it here into the main filter element. It requires a little bit of pressure and it's inside. Now, very important, guys, we must lift off the protective cover here of the control unit. You take a paper clip or something similar, and we must perform a reset so that the unit actually knows that you have changed the filter. It's so easy. A little push for about 3 seconds, and the unit gives you a light signal that it has been successfully reset. Now, of course, we put back the ring that's holding the unit together. We screw it all together and put back the protective top cover. Make sure that everything is aligned here and fits together. And now we basically connect the flexible pipe and screw it solidly into the machine. Close the filter unit and simply reconnect the water supply into the unit, and we're done. And drop off. Tastes wonderful. Clean water for you and your family from QNet for the lowest possible price.